Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Gregory Arrio 18 backpack. So I'm just going to go straight into the key features. 18 litres is perfect for a daytime adventure, a day hike, or if you have managed to wangle your wild camping down and into an 18 litre backpack, this is definitely something to consider. And if you have done that, let me know how you've done it in the comments below, please, and that'll be a great conversation starter. So it's covered here with Gregory's lifetime guarantee, so as long as you take care of the pack, but say something snags, something pops, something breaks, go talk to Gregory. You'll probably be able to send off or ship off your the pack to them. They will be able to analyze it, fix it, repair it, or replace it due to that lifetime guarantee. But that is a case-by-case, scenario. If it looks like you've been throwing your rucksack off of, mountains or whatever, if it looks like you've been abusing your rucksack and you want a replacement, they will know. So it is a case-by-case scenario. Anyway, let's move on from that. The bag itself is made out of recyclable materials, which also means it's Blue Sign approved, so it's great for the environment as well. And it's a fantastic step that Gregory are taking when it comes to recycled material. The more companies that jump on board using recycled materials, the better off this world is going to be. Anyway, that's the key features. Let's take a closer look. So it is an 18 litre backpack, but as you can see, the design is based on a traditional rucksack. So you've got your top entry. Let me just unravel these bits, which has the quick response system. There we go. So let me spin it around here. So traditional top entry, nice and wide in there, well, nice wide entry should I say. You do have a separate pouch on the inside there, so that's going to be for your bladder. You've got a hook system on the top there, if you can get that maybe in the close-up. You've got a hook system on the top there, so you can hook your bladder up there, meaning the bladder is going to stay upright, which basically means throughout the day it's not going to slump to the bottom of the bag. And if you have a laptop as well, or a tablet, you can be able to get that in there as well, just to keep that separate on the main bit. But yeah, that's the main section. And again, you've just got the quick release, quick system on there, so quick release drawstring material, should I say. On the front, you have bungee as well, so pop gear in there, tighten it up. Again, I think that works with, so that works within that link system there. So there's a hook system on there. You pull that in there, and that's going to hold everything in place. And again, that connects to the top part there, which is really, really cool. But yeah, bottles, bits and bobs, stick it in there, tighten that up. That's going to keep everything in place. You've got your traditional mesh pocket on the side there for your water bottle. And then on the other side, just open it up. You're probably going to get the tag in there, so let's do it slowly. You've just got a traditional pocket in there, which basically is that section there, which is great for, should I say, GPS system, just bits and bobs, your keys, something that you want to keep safe and secure. Zip it up, and whatever's in there will stay, again, safe and secure. The bag itself is covered in rootstock material, which means it's lightweight and it's super, super durable as well. That's the front, that's the inside. Let's take a look at the back. So on the back, traditional rain pocket on the top there, for additional storage. And actually, I didn't show you that, did I? You've got a rain cover on the inside there. So this is where your rain cover lives. So when the heavens do open, whack it over that, and that will keep everything dry. But if you are walking or trekking in hotter climates that aren't necessarily going to rain, you can use that as an additional pocket for security. So again, your wallet, your keys, your mobile phone, things that you don't want on the outside of your bag, pop them in here, zip that up, so then that stays safe and secure. And when you lock that down, it just means that no one's going to be able to gain access to that pocket, which is a big win. And again, depending on what you put in that internal pocket will decide how much space you actually have for the external top pocket as well. So just have that in mind as well. Back system. So first off, what you'll notice is their flow system on the back there. So the way that it works is the back itself will not fill, or should I say the back won't be flush on your back. You've got this mesh lining in here, which is nice and supportive and nice and comfortable, but that just enables airflow to go round the back and keep your back nice and cool and keep you nice and comfortable. So again, if you are backpacking or going on a day adventure and the climate is hot, or it's a hot day, this will keep your back nice and cool. And it's just a really cool system as well. And then as you can see, that frame system there just means basically it works with the design and the frame of the backpack as well. So that's always going to stay flush. So that back paneling there is always going to have that slight arc there to enable airflow to go through no matter what you've packed in the main bag itself. Straps themselves are a nice kind of soft material, very traditional. They are mesh lined, so they are breathable, again working with the back paneling there. So it means it's going to reduce the sweat marks or uncomfortableness on the straps. You're not going to get any rubs on there, should I say. The straps themselves are ergonomically fit, so they go off ever so slightly. So what that means is, again, working with the kind of the breathable material on the strap, it's going to be nice and comfortable for you, even if you are carrying heavy loads, which is really, really cool. It comes with a traditional chest strap. Again, it's fully adjustable, and is there a slight elastication? There is no elastication on there, but to be honest with you, if you've packed your bag, you shouldn't be using that strap. Anyway, if you've packed your bag properly, that strap should not be done up. That should be nice and free, should we say. But if you do need that additional bit of support, it's nice to have that. And you also have your traditional whistle there as well. And that's basically it. There's no padding on the bottom. There's no strap system on the bottom there, but it's not needed. It's an 18-litre rucksack. As long as you packed it properly, you should be fine. You shouldn't need that additional support at the bottom. But what I will show you on the bottom there, it is curved to it. So even the base of the rucksack, the day bag, the backpack itself will hug around your hips, giving you the support that you need anyway. So even though you don't have a strap system on there, that structure at the base there just means it's going to lift it up ever so slightly, just lifting that weight off your hip section, which is what it's all about. So that's a really cool thing to have that structure at the base there, but not need an actual hip belt, which is a really good win. So 18 litres, ticks all the boxes. Who is this for? Scrambling, day hike adventuring. You can even commute with this bag. Basically, if you're after a small backpack that has high quality, it has a high pedigree, and it's something that you can use daily commuting, your daily hiking, to even, like I said, if you've managed to get your wild camping kit down to an 18-litre bag, this is definitely something to consider. Or if you're an ultralight runner and you want something that's breathable, that's going to move with you and offer you all the support and, should we say, all the space that you need, this is definitely a rucksack to consider. Anyway, to find out more information on the Arrio 18, just head over to our website, webtogs.com, or click on the link that is pinned in the comments below. And whilst you're there, you'll notice a really cool initiative that we're doing, which is place an order, plant a tree. So with every order that is placed through our website, webtogs.com, we will plant a tree, which is a fantastic initiative, and it's something that we're super excited about. But did you also know that our warehouse is eco-friendly, like one of the most eco-friendly warehouses in the UK, or even Europe, should I say, maybe even the world? So as of recording, our carbon emissions are down by 93.5%, which is fantastic. But when you align that with the place an order, plant a tree initiative that we're doing, it does something rather special. So that one order that you've placed through webtogs.com, us planting that tree based on that order, actually wipes out the carbon emissions of 3 other Webtog orders. Now, how great is that? And the only reason that we can do that is because our emissions are so low as of recording, which is fantastic, and it's only going to get better. Our warehouse is evolving when it comes to the ecological side of things and the sustainability of things. So hopefully in a couple of years, we'll be 100% when it comes to our carbon emissions. So one day, but as of recording, as of now, it's 93.5%, which is fantastic. But the fact that you placing an order through us means we plant a tree, but that one tree wipes out the carbon emissions of 3 other Webtog orders is fantastic. Anyway, if you want to find out more about the Place an Order, Plant a Tree initiative, just click on the link. Again, it's going to be pinned in the comments below. I'm going to stop waffling on now. Going to let everyone get back to their day. Have a good one, guys, and happy trails.